welcome to online classes of SPSC. I am your computer science teacher Hera. Beta, today we are covering a new chapter number 2, digital literacy, the secret restaurant, from a textbook, Oxford International Primary Computing Student textbook. Okay, and this is your assignment number 5 from the chapter number 2. Okay, learning goals are how to find useful words and images, how to download useful words and images, to explain how everyone can stay safe and happy in their computer rooms, about personal and private information and computers, that what is a private information and what is a public information. Okay, now chapter number 2 is about digital literacy, the secret restaurants I told you before. In this chapter beta, we will explore the use of internet, what is the internet, the collection of website is called, what is www world wide web, okay, how we can explore the things, how we can find the things which we required, how we can use the internet safely. Okay, these are the objectives of this chapters. Now there are few site words: browser, search engine, website, download, personal information, private information, and internet. First word is browser. Basically, what is a browser? Browser is an application through which we access the net. We can access the websites. We can easily search our data. If we don't have any web browser, just like Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Mozilla, they are also the examples of browsers. Okay, if we don't have any browser, we can't access the net, we can't use the we can't get our required data from the websites. Okay, search engine basically is used to find the websites, just like Google, Yahoo, Ask.com. These are all called search engine. They are search our query and find the website related to our query. Okay, website, group of web pages. Okay, when it combines single pages, it's called a web pages. It contain numbers of web page. Okay, and numbers of web page, when they are combined, they are called website. Okay, downloads mean we save the image. Okay, it may be a text, it may be a audio, it may be a video, it may be a document. Okay, how we can download, we will also study this thing in this class. Okay, personal information is our CNIC, our name, our phone numbers which belongs to some person. Okay, which is our personal property. Private informations mean our password, email IDs, password, ATMs numbers. Okay, all the passwords which other don't know. Okay, personal information may be known by the other person, just like our family members, our name, our CNIC numbers, our password, our cell phone numbers, our mobile numbers. But private information is that information which kept by myself. Okay, I will not tell to even to my mother, to my fathers. Okay, not even I will share this thing with my siblings. Okay, internet. What is internet? Internet is a big network, interconnected computers network. In this, all computers are connected together, through which we can easily access the website, web pages, and we will get the information from them. Okay, now second 2.1 is the internet. What is basically internet? Okay, the internet, computers all over the world are connected. Okay, they are connected, they are some wirelessly connected, means they are no wire through which they are connected. I am connected with the England computers, with the person who are using computers. They uploaded their website, their pages on their domain. I can easily also get those pages by sitting in Pakistan. How? With the help of the internets. Okay, because our computers are connected. It doesn't mean that they are connected with the help of the wires. They may be connected wirelessly, means they are connected with the help of other mediums. Okay, all these connected computers are called the internet. When all computers are connected together in a loop, in some form of physical, in some form of physical, you can say physical structure, which in computer terms we call topology. Okay, they are called internets. Okay, and all the all the computers are connected together, they are called the internets or the world wide web, triple W. Okay, how we use browser to find the things which are available on the internet with the help of the web browser. Web browser is basically a application through which we get the data from the web pages and websites. Okay, on a cell phone, on a tablets, or maybe a laptop, on a desktop computer. Okay, now second is 2.2, search wisely. How we can search wisely? Okay, facts or opinion. In this we will read about there are some information which is available on the net. It's called fact, which is reality, which is exists in this world. And some other opinion means my opinion that grade 2 is a very intelligent class, it pick whatever I told them. Okay, they will do their work on time. It's my opinion. Okay, facts, say a sentence that is a fact about you, about your age. Okay, this is a fact that we are living in Pakistan, we are Pakistani. It's a fact. Okay, say a sentence that is sometimes something you believe about yourself. This is your opinion. Okay, I am giving my opinion about grade 2. Okay, maybe some other teachers have different opinion. Okay, I am a good at running, I am good at teaching. Okay, these are the opinion. In internet there are two types of information, facts and opinion. Some are facts, some are opinion. Okay, choose websites. How you can find a book in a big library? I told you that computer is a very vast world. Okay, lots of information related to the textbook, related to the videos, related to the music, related to the films, related to the cartoons are available on the internet. We can easily search them according to our requirement. Okay, just like if I am facing some difficulty while preparing my lecture, I can use the websites. Okay, I can use the search engine for searching the material related to your chapters. Okay, in this way, if you have to find a book, how you will do? The internet is like a library with website instead of the books. Search engine sends software robots called spider to visit websites. Okay, there is a small software robot called the spider. It sends its spider to the search engine. There are lots of search engines which are connected with the internet. So, okay, I told you few like Yahoo, Google, Ask.com, Kindle. They all are interconnected each other. Okay, when I search something, I send my search query. The search query goes and they start searching the things on the different search engines. Okay, then they take the informations and show it on my screen. Okay, choose website. How can you find a book in a big library? I told you this thing. Okay, the spiders make list of the word. When you type a keyword in a search engine, you are searching the big list. Okay, spider make a list of the words according to my query. Okay, and type a keyword in a search engine. My keyword is like I am searching for the books related to the computers. Okay, or I will maybe writing related to the internet. Okay, now there are all search engines you can use. These are the Kindle, Kitrex. Okay, these are the different search engines which are available, which are showing on the screen. Okay, now 2.3 is download images. How we can easily download our images? Okay, they are the fun pictures or images on the internet. We want to save them, we want to use them later. How we can do? We can simply download them. We can just right click on the image. There is an option of click save as image. Okay, save as image. What we will do on the save as image, we can select it and my image or audio or video will be downloaded in the folder. Okay, now there are the different types parts of the search that use the word free in your search. We will write a word in a search bar. Okay, in it. Okay, the link above the lines are advertisement, they are not useful. Okay, this is the advertisement. Okay, this is not useful. The links below the line might be useful. This, okay, this may be useful. Okay, find and save the 3 images of the delicious looking food from the internet. This is your new activity. Now we are going toward that how we will do the searching. We have a net, we have a search engine. Okay, now how we can do the searching? We will write just a word in our bar. Okay, and in that bar we will just click on the search option. Then the search search or different website will become, and these are in the form the hyperlink. We just click on them and the new website will be open. Okay, now this is your assignment number 5. Activity number 1, search about your favorite restaurants on the internet and answer the following questions. What kind of food is served there? We have covered this thing. Okay, now activity number 2, find and save 3 free images of favorite food from the internet. I also told you how you can download them, how you can save them. Now activity number 3 is answer the following question. Word, define internet. I told this thing even in the start of my lecture. And what is a website? Okay, now student, please complete your work before time and send it to us. Okay, stay safe, stay at home. Allah Hafiz.